Hi there. Today we are doing the hands-on project using badstore.net to test out some vulnerabilities. So I went ahead and already set up a virtual machine. I'll go ahead and bring it up so you can see it. This is what the virtual machine looks like, and it's pretty minimal. It's just a Linux kernel, and all we had to do was look in here so we could find the if you can see right here, the IP address for the actual badstore.net, because if you try to access it yourself, nothing happens. And the way we're doing it here is accessing it through this virtual machine and just using a web browser to access it through the network. So first thing we're going to try is we're going to try an SQL injection attack. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to enter an asterisk or 1 equals 1 or another asterisk. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and click login. And as you can see up at the top, before it said unregistered user, but now we are under the test user. And because of that, it allowed us to just access it. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and go back to the login and register part. We're going to right click the page and we're going to view the page source. We're going to control A, we're going to copy this all. Open up a notepad here and paste it. And then we're going to go ahead and just minimize that for now. Alright, and it looks like we just need to go back real quick. It's not showing me where I can go ahead and oh, there it is. It brought up another thing. So and we're going to go ahead and just look at this here. Sorry, we're going to close that down. And bring this up a little more. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and control F, and you can see here this is signing up for the account. The name is role and the value is you. Okay, so in the text editor we're going to go ahead and hop into here and find role. There we go. And we're going to change the value from U to A. Alright, so what we need to do here again is just control F. And we're going to search for we're going to register for new. Did I spell register wrong? Probably did. Okay, so it looks like we're going to have to manually search through here. Here it is, register for a new account. Okay, so form method, post, action. What we're going to do is put in http colon two forward slashes and then the 192.168. Oops. I need to glance at my VM real quick. 168.146.128. Okay, and we're going to save as. It's going to go ahead and save it to our desktop. Hold on one second here. Desktop, and we're going to name it file.html. Go ahead and save it like that. Close it. And we're going to go ahead and open this up. Alright, so yeah, it's not loading a bunch of the things there because this is an edited file. So what we're going to do is in the full name field, we're going to enter illegal admin crook at badstore.net and crook. Crook for the password. And then we're going to go ahead and hit the register button. Alright, bear with me one second here. Okay, it shouldn't look like that. Just bear with me here one second. Okay, for some reason it's not working. I'll be right back with you. Alright, and we're back. It looks like I accidentally edited some of the code too much. So, we are logged in now as the legal admin, the one we just created. So what we want to do now is do a little bit of URL manipulation. So instead of, we're going to just take, up here we see that we're at the IP address /CGI bin /badstore.cgi !_ action register. We're going to do action and put admin. Alright, and it takes us to the secret administration menu. We're going to view the sales report and click do it. Alright, so bear with me. I need to pause it one more time. I messed up on another editing, so I'll be right back. Alright, we are back, and we can now see the credit card reports for the badstore.net, which, since we're not an administrator, we shouldn't be able to, but since we edited those two files on in the HTML from getting it from the source code, it allows us to activate it since we just changed that value from user to administrator. Alright, if we go back, we can do other things such as reset the user password, add the user, delete users, troubleshoot, back up the database, manage open orders, place orders with the supplier, check credit with supplier, and check status of a RMA. Alrighty, well that concludes my video on the badstore.net applications and different types of attacks that can happen, such as SQL injection or modifying the host file, or also URL manipulation. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you have a great day.